Hello students, welcome to the next video in Model 5. In this video, we are going to discuss about the three important Swing components called JLabel, JImageIcon and JTextField. So let us go to the topic. When you are going to explore the Java Swing components, there are n number of components available in Java Swing package. Here is the list of Java Swing components which are maximum and popularly used in many of your form applications. So first one is JButton, JList, JTable, JCheckbox, J radio button, J text field, J combo box, J scroll pan, J toggle pan, J label, J dabbed pan and J tree. So let us see the first one called as JLabel and ImageIcon. JLabel is a very easiest component and it will mainly display one text or icon. So these are all some of the examples of constructor of a JLabel. It may come up with its icon objects or it can be inserted as with only string, or it can be constructed with one string along with icon and along with its alignment where that icon should be placed. So in that way there are three different kinds of constructors are used in a JLabel. Then what may be the alignment values means it may be a left, right, center, leading and trailing. ImageIcon is also similar to one of the Java Swing component. The main constructor and main format of ImageIcon is ImageIcon string file name, where the file name is nothing but one kind of GIF images. Then icon, how I can get the icon of this image means by using getIconImage method, and I can set one text for that image also, so that setting the icon and setting the text is happened with the help of set method called a set icon of icon, set text of some string. So to receive its value of icon and text, we can use getIcon and getText methods respectively. This is the one sample program which shows about the JLabel, and the name of the class is JLabel demo, and it should implement the awt.star javax.swing.star. So whenever you are going to use the Java Swing components, what is the important package mean? It should start with the javax.swing. Then we can write the class class JLabel demo. It should extend the JFrame. So here JLabel demo is the constructor name. The frame size is about 500 to 700. That frame should be closed whenever we are exiting from the frame. So it should be defaultly close its operation. So this concept is done with the help of method called set default close operation of jframe.exitOnClose. ExitOnClose is the one of the attribute which will tell about that closing operation will be completely exit from its application. And to create an icon, what is the method? We need to have one object for ImageIcon. So ImageIcon IA is equal to new ImageIcon of x.gif, and then label. Label is nothing but new label. Here what is the string we are inserting in the label means welcome string, and object IA is the object of this ImageIcon, and it should be aligned in a center way. So this label is assigned, and then we are adding this label in the frame. Finally it should be visible to the users. So this is what the Java label demo class. Let us see how it will works in this system. So I have typed this coding in the notepad. So the class name of this file is JLabel demo. So it is saved in the JLabel demo.java. So when I am going to execute, I will show the execution now. Java C is the command to execute. Now what is the file name? JLabel demo. No, say JLabel demo is the class file name .java. So now I am compiling. It will not, it doesn't have any errors, so it is now successfully compiled. Now I am going to execute this one. So what is the command to execute? Java. So Java with the name of class name, Java JLabel demo. See here, you can see the alignment, one image, welcome image with its message called as welcome. So this should be aligned in a center way. What we have mentioned in the image, here we have mentioned no, yeah, JLabel.center. So this is what done in this output. See, it is a one frame. In that frame, one icon is image is created with its one GIF image, and then welcome is the message for that one. It is arranged in a center way. I hope so. This output is easy to you. So this is the output we got. Next, we can move on to text field. So text field is another one component which is very important for processing the text image, text kind of inputs. So what are the three different constructors were used in text field means, first constructor shows the number of columns, and second constructor shows one string along with the columns, and third constructor will only have the strings. So str is a string to be initially presented, and column is the number of columns in the text field. If no string is specified, it will be taken as a null value, no issue. Then this is the example coding for exhibiting the text field concepts. Here J text field of JTF is there. So we are setting the title for this concept as J text field demo, and the frame, what is the J frame we are having means that frame size is occupying 400 to 500, and that frame should have the default close operation of time jframe dot exit on close, and it has the layout in the sense, in Java Swing there are some 4 number of layouts are designed. So here what layout we are using is new flow layout. Flow layout is the layout it is set to this frame. Then we are having one label to tell that corresponding text is like a text field. So one label is inserted before the text field. Then new text field of 15. Here 15 is nothing but number of columns. That means it will accept for minimum 15 number characters. So likewise, one text field is created. Then this first label will be added. Next text field will be added. See here, you can see the label text 1 label. Then immediately that text field will be added. So first is label, second is text field. So once both are added, it is set visible to true. Then when in the void main method, we are calling the constructor of J text field. So this is what happened in this J text field. We will see these explanation implementations in this part also. So here I have typed the coding. Now I am going to compile this program. So what is the command? Javac J text field demo dot java. It successfully compiled. Next process is to run. J text field demo. See, this is the one output we got. The title of this frame is J text field demo. One first label is added, then text field is added. We can type these numbers. Okay, so this is what the output of this window. I hope so. This video is useful for you. I will catch you in the next video about next concept. Thank you.